Well, hi everyone, I'm Vicki and welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, we are here to do number 2 of the Chaffle series. And like I promised, we are going to do a chicken chaffle. Does that sound cool? A lot of you have been following my bento boxes, so you've seen the chicken Cordon Bleu breakfast sandwich, and that's what we're actually going to make today. So I've already put 2 ounces of cream cheese in the bowl. Now I love these little flexible silicone prep bowls to make my chaffles. I don't know why. When I started making them a few years ago, this is just the bowl that was my go-to bowl, and I would only make a couple at a time. Now I go ahead and make 4 or 6 chaffles so that I have them during the week, because I learned that they'll keep, and as I perfected the recipe, worked really well to keep them in the refrigerator. The chicken chaffle is great for a lot of things. I actually have used it for flatbread pizza dough. But let's put this together. We start with 2 ounces of cream cheese softened, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. I do not use pre-shredded cheese. It has starch and cellulose on it. I just would not use it. It takes no time to shred your own, and that's just my suggestion. Half a cup of canned chicken. Yeah, canned chicken. I'm going to use a fork and kind of break it apart a little bit. Now this is going to make about 6 or 7 chaffles. So it's like 3 to 4 sandwiches. Okay, that's got it together. 2 whole eggs. Okay, we use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder helps it rise. It makes it be a little bit lighter, a little more fluffy. So I use 2 good teaspoons. Oops! I'm a messy cook. You know that. Now remember, everything you see me using is Pampered Chef. You know, I love our measuring spoons. They come in a set and they click together, and every time I go looking for one, they're right there. Now, I just use a pinch of salt because it helps activate that baking powder. You don't want to use much because the cheese has salt in it already. So, and then I use half a teaspoon, where are you? There it is, of olive oil. It just helps it be really crispy. Okay. We're just going to mix it up. Now, that's not all the ingredients yet. Just want to get this much done. Okay, we are going to do a tablespoon, and you can use all almond flour, but I like to mix it up. I like sunflower seed flour and a rounded tablespoon of almond flour. So I use a little bit of both. The only thing that I'm using tonight that is not Pampered Chef is the waffle iron, because we don't have the little 4-inch, and the 4-inch works best on the chaffles. I like the little waffle irons that have a flat side on one side and then the waffle side on the other. It kind of, well, I'll show you as we go along. I need a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Not a lot, just a tablespoon. Now put this back. So, we have this mixed up, and we're waiting on our waffle iron for the light to go off to say it's preheated. Now I like to stir pretty good and mix up that cheese and the flours. Like I said, you can use all almond flour. I wouldn't use coconut flour on this one. Coconut flour is a sweeter flour, and I use the coconut flour when we are making a sweet chaffle, but not when we're making a savory one. Now, I have made this and put a little bit of garlic in it, but for tonight, we're just going to make it just plain. Now, I oil the little waffle iron. Oiling versus spraying, again, makes it crisper. Now, my little trick is our large scoop is absolutely the perfect size for my chaffle. And we'll come back in just a minute and show you. Okay, so that's 6 minutes. Ooh, it's perfect. Okay, you'll have to kind of test your waffle machine. Mine's a Dash, and I think that's the one that's pretty much recommended the most. Take a look. It has a pumpkin on it. And see, the other side is a waffle. Now I'm going to put it on the cooling rack. I am going to put another one in. And I will turn the timer on 6 minutes and be back in a minute. Well, okay, it's been 6 minutes. So let's see if it's ready. Wow. Beautiful. Next one in, and set the timer for 6 minutes. Here we go. Number 3 is ready. At least it should be. Perfect, 6 minutes. Okay, number 4 in. Number 4 is ready. Here we go, 5 is in. Number 5 is done. 6 is in. So while number 6 is in, why don't we go ahead and construct our chicken cordon bleu breakfast sandwich. Okay, y'all, I think I got this perfect. I think I'm gonna get absolutely 8 perfect chaffles out of this. Okay, so I've got our chaffles, and I have made some eggs and some ham, and as I simmered the ham a little bit, I put Swiss cheese on to melt well. And now let me show you. I'm going to put the cheese side towards the waffle side, not the flat side. Before I do that, I'm going to put just a little bit of mayonnaise on it. You don't have to use mayonnaise if you don't like mayonnaise. But on my egg sandwich, I like a little bit of mayonnaise. lot, just enough to flavor. Y'all look at my beautiful chicken cordon bleu sandwich. That's breakfast for in the morning. And I will wrap it and put it in the air fryer. I'll open it up and in the morning and put it in the air fryer, and it'll be toasty and ready to go. Okay, there was the buzzer. So this is number 6. Oh, look how pretty it is. All right, that's enough for 3 sandwiches, and I have my sandwich made for in the morning. Number 7 in. Okay, number 7 is out. 7, we've got 7. Ready? And you know what? We're gonna have a perfect 8. This one might not be quite as big as the others, but it'll be enough to make a sandwich. I'll be back in a little bit and show you everything that I've cooked. Well, it's almost a whole one. You know what? I'm pampered. I'm not perfect. And that little bit where it's not perfectly round, nobody will ever know but me. Because when you turn it over on the other side, it is perfectly round. So, here are my 8 chaffles. I'm so excited. There is my lunch for tomorrow. My breakfast for tomorrow. And 3 other sandwiches. Yay! You know, I always end with, give someone your beautiful smile today. Not only is it a gift for them, it's a gift for yourself, because it actually makes you feel good inside to smile. You know, you could make somebody's day that's having a really bad one. So come back to see me soon. Have a wonderful day, and like and share my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. So, this was number 2, chicken chaffles, and our chicken cordon bleu breakfast sandwich. Number 3 is coming up, and number 3 is going to be my Italian chaffle. And I use my Italian chaffle for cold cuts to make like a sub. So, the next one is the Italian chaffle. Have a great day. Bye.